All right, guys. So I wanted to show y'all something really quick. I'm working, which is this nice glass backsplash, right? And I'm using the Prism SCG, right? And basically a single component grout. It's way better than Fusion, way better than Fusion grout because it's well, Prism was made to be a better grout in general, like as far as no efflorescence and stuff like that. But this was before it was a pre-mixed Prism grout. You know, they made it better as in powder, but now they made it a a single component grout, a pre-mixed single component grout, which is this one, and it's my first time using it. I already did the whole floor. Nice floor, by the way, big floor. Um, and it works way better than Fusion grout, way better. Now we are gonna be doing it here. My guys are gonna wrap this up tomorrow. Here, let me show y'all what it looks like here in a second. Looks just like that right there. You see the difference? One has grout, the one on the right, this one don't. And so the color is consistent, and that's very important when you're working with grouts, right? You want to have consistent color, and you want to have a good pre-mixed grout. What you don't want to have is a grout that isn't that pre-mixed, that's like made nasty, basically. All right. In Fusion, sometimes their grout is pre-mixed perfect, and sometimes their grout is just bad, like it sweats too much in the bucket, right? In their warehouses or whatever. All right, so obviously cover your granite and stuff, right? But I'm not gonna do so right now because I'm only gonna show y'all guys a little bit. I'm gonna have the guys do the whole thing tomorrow. I'm not gonna be here, but I wanted to take this opportunity to show y'all what the Prism pre-mix grout, works like. Let's continue it over here. Actually, all right. Let's start it right here. I'll probably just do it right here. Actually, just like this. All right. Look how smooth this grout is. So smooth. It's not even tough, right? You don't have to overwork it. Now, however, this Prism grout is way more expensive than the Fusion grout. Way more expensive, like twice as much at least, right? Or near twice as much. However, this is what Fusion should be like. So in other words, Fusion is made wrong, and now that they fixed it, they want to call it something else. But that's in my opinion, right? But I don't know, right? Um, but apparently they still want to sell Fusion and now this one. So now it's important, just like any other grout, that you stuff in every grout joint thoroughly, right? And you don't miss any grout joints like I'm missing right here. Okay, let's see. A little bit more for you guys real quick. Press it in tough. Press it in. I mean, the grout's real soft, so you're not gonna have trouble working it, So you don't gotta worry about that. You just have to worry about nothing really. Just get it done smoothly, easy. Stuff it in. All right, perfect. Make sure I didn't miss any grout. All right. Now, this grout, you do work it kind of like Fusion. Well, let me take that back. You work it exactly like you would Fusion. But those who don't know how to do Fusion either, well, this is the video for you. This is only a backsplash. You work the grout the same way as you would on this backsplash on the floor. So it's the same thing. You grout it and then you clean it the same way I'm doing now. Walls and floors. Make sure they're stuffed in. I don't really worry too much about the grout. Like their grout, this Prism grout is real consistent. I have not seen a batch where it's so sweaty and it's a bad grout. That's difference between Prism. They always try to make the Prism the good grout. I remember that their first regular scanned it grout bag, that one had a lot of efflorescences, and so they made the new Prism grout in powder form, which, you know, didn't have the problem with the efflorescences. But now that we have fusion grout, you know, premix fusion grout, we got a few problems with that on some batches, and so now they made a Prism premix grout to fix those problems, which is kind of odd, right? Okay, so you grab your sponge, you dip it in water, okay? Then in a circular motion, you go over the whole area that you just worked with the grout. All right, pretty simple, right, guys? Over the whole area, right? Clean your cabinets, make sure everything's good, and clean up any extra grout. Okay, now that I did the whole circular motion, I grab the sponge, wipe it, right, and then I come through it. I come through, right, evenly, right, working down. As you see, I did one row, second row, and now my third row down here, right? So, and then one more at the bottom. Okay, now that I got all that done, right, on a separate bucket of water, have a microfiber towel ready. Let's flip it. Okay, I fold my microfiber, right, and then I usually, right, I'll start like, let's see, right here on the clean side, and then just go up and down flat. Keep it flat. Don't dig into the grout joints. Nice and flat, right? Flip the microfiber around after you do one wipe, right? For a cleaner look. Look how easily I just grouted this backsplash. That's why I love using this new Prism grout. It's the best grout when it comes to pre-mixed grout. You know, hands down, best grout. Fusion used to be the best premix grout. Started coming out bad in batches, sweating too much, you know, bunch of bad things with it. When it sweats too much, it's too soft, it'll sink down, it gives you voids, all that bad stuff. But with the Prism grout, it's premixed so right. I mean, it's premixed so right that, I mean, you can tell right here, you don't see nothing wet. It looks like it's dry, as a matter of fact, but it's not. It's actually really, really soft, right? And obviously it dries really, really hard. So it's a really good grout. The color is always consistent, and it's an easy install. And that's pretty much my video for today. I just wanted to show y'all. I didn't want to do no edits and none of that. I probably edited a couple of times, but I'm not trying to do all that. I just want to hurry up and upload. Pros, if y'all like the video, hit the like button for me, and I'll see y'all guys in the next video. For all my new ones, don't forget to subscribe.